Hi dear students, welcome back to our IT class. Today we are going to study how to beautify the characters that we enter in LibreOffice Writer. Have a look at the picture. It shows some of the tools that we can make use of in LibreOffice Writer to make an attractive document. Just look here. First thing, it is used to make a new style. It is used to set for headings and all. Next, this tool will help us to save the file, and here to change the font style. By clicking here, we can change the font styles, and these three tools are used for cut, copy and paste. And here 12 is already displayed here. It is used for increasing or decreasing the size of the character. By clicking here, we can increase or decrease the size. And these three tools set the text as bold, italic and then underline. And these four tools are alignment tools which help to align the text in left, center, right and then justify. Okay. Then here we can see a picture tool. It is used to insert a picture. And these three tools help us to give color for the text. Okay. In this class, we are going to practice all these things and make our text or make beautiful characters. Okay. Here I already prepared a document from your IT textbook. It is not at all arranged properly. First of all, we are going to emphasize the title. That is, we are going to make an attractive title for this paragraph. For doing all the activities, first of all we want to select that particular text. How we can select? Just click or place the cursor here and then drag. That text will be selected. And here we can see all the text formatting tools. First of all, default style list is there. Just click here. From the list, select heading 1. And then by using this option, we can give any attractive font style. It is a font size button. Here we can increase the font size. Okay. Then by using these three tools, we can make the text as italic, underline and bold. Next, we already discussed 4 alignment tools. By using this tool, I am going to align the text as center. Next, we want to give colors. Okay, here is a font color button or tool is there. Just click here. From the list of colors, we can select any particular color. Okay, now our text become more attractive or our heading became more attractive. Next we are going to set this paragraph, or next we are going to format the paragraph. For formatting, select the text, select the paragraph, and it is just a description about the poem, and then click format button and select paragraph option. Okay. Then different tabs are there. From this, select indent and spacing. Indent and spacing means it is used for giving some space for the first line or for giving indent for the paragraph. For first line, if you want to give indent or space means increase. Okay, while increasing we can see here what the change is, we can see here. Okay. And then line spacing. Line spacing means it is the space between two lines. Here it as single, or we can set as 1.5 double, like that you can change. Okay. Next we are going to give borders. For that, select the tab borders from the paragraph, from this menu, and click borders, and we can see here set no borders, set 4 borders, and left and right, top and bottom. From this I am going to select top and bottom border. Then width, suppose I want to increase the width means just click here, then the thickness became increased, and then the color is black now. Here I am going to change the color. These things and all we can do by using format paragraph. Okay, then just click OK. Then we can see this paragraph are arranged properly, and here we have borders. Okay. After making these changes, we can see that this document became more attractive. Okay, I am sure you will practice these activities today itself. Okay, and thank you for watching, and thank you.